And meanwhile, Senior Minister of State for Law Edwin Tong says interim measures are needed to ensure there's good governance, even as the Workers' Party MPs have the right to appeal against the court judgment. Mr Tong cited an example of how the court had found that Ms Sylvia Lim asked managing agents to sanitise a report so that it could, as Ms Lim put it, pass auditors' eyes.
This is wrong at so many levels. Even a child knows that you don't ask the fox to guard the chicken coop or a wolf to watch the sheep. But this little episode provides an insight into the way in which affairs are being conducted at AHTC. And Ms Lim continues in a position of having financial oversight over matters today. How can this status quo be allowed to continue?
Mr Tong also asked the current chairman of AHTC, Mr Faisal Manap, whether he would order Mr Lau and Ms Lim to recuse themselves from financial matters in the meantime, for the sake of residents' interests.
I have to take into consideration the mandate given by Aljunied residents at GE 2015 admits the HTC saga, where the residents of Aljunied had decided to still give mandate to Mr Lau Tai Kiang, Sylvia Lim and the other three of us to manage their town. Personally, it will be improper for me to cancel this mandate and take mandate given to us, WP MP, seriously.
First of all, Mr Manap, there is no suggestion that you reverse the mandate that's been given. Second, in relation to the suggestion that the mandate was given in 2015, but today we're in 2019, and the judgment has been released after having heard all parties, and certain findings have been made. I'd like to ask Mr Manap, does he not recognize that those findings are very serious, egregious, grave findings?
The judgment is a judgment. I have to respect the court judgment, but it's subject to an appeal, as mentioned earlier. The finding can be overturned by the Court of Appeal. So I stand firm on my call to wait until the outcome of the Court of Appeal being made before I decide to take any actions.
So is Mr Manap saying that absolutely nothing at all will be done by HTC, notwithstanding the grave and serious judgment that has been released by the High Court, which AHTC, and I hear the Workers' Party, recognize and accept that nothing will be done in the interim?
Mr Faisal Manap.
I have stated clearly that I do not support this motion. Thank you.